Hi everybody, I'm Suzanne and welcome to my channel. It's been more than a hot minute since I've uploaded a video here on YouTube. Anyways, so I am here to do this look that I have on today. It's my no foundation, minimal makeup look that I use just to have a hair on my lip. This is my minimal makeup look that I will just put on in 5 minutes and head out the door, run errands or whatever on the weekend, if I'm home during the week, if I have holidays. Super easy. I just use a little bit of concealer, a little powder, eyes, lips, brows, done, gone. So if you want to see how I got this no foundation minimal makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so here I am. No makeup, no brows, no nothing. First of all, apologies for the ratchet nails. So I've already cleansed and moisturized my skin, but one of the things I do is I definitely use a primer even if I'm not using foundation. So I'm using my Too Faced Hangover primer today, and I've already put that on as well. And then next I go in with a pore reducing primer. Today I'm going to use my NYX Angel Veil primer. I just use a tiny little, I just use a tiny little bit, and I just put that where I have larger pores, and it does tend to blur the skin. I'm just going to go in with my Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser from Maybelline, and I just put this under my eyes, pull my hair back, and any sort of red areas that I want to kind of even out. So I just really gently go in and kind of very lightly buff it into my skin using circular motions with a little concealer brush. I'm using my IT Cosmetics, I think it's number 7 brush for that. And I think I need just a little bit more coverage. I will use my Physicians Formula translucent powder. This powder actually does provide some coverage. It looks like this, and so I just go in, maybe not with this brush. Where's my powder brush? I just go in with any fluffy powder brush that isn't going to pick up too much product, and just tap that in and go over the areas where I put the concealer, and it will set the concealer. As you can see, the 90s called and they want their brows back. So after my face is done, I will do my brows. So as you can see, I've got very overplucked 90s brows, and I like to fill them in a little bit, give them a bit more structure to frame my face a little bit better. So for that, on a day when I'm doing more of a natural look, I don't use a lot of product and I don't use any of my pomade products, but I do use my Revlon Color Stay Brow Tint. It's this one here, just to draw in some of the lines. So I just go in and I just draw the brow hairs that are non-existent right here. Wet n Wild's retractable brow pencil, this one here. It's got a little spoolie on the end, and then it's got one of these sort of triangular shaped pencils, and I just sort of fill it in and give it a little bit more shape. Can't really talk when I'm doing my brows though. the Instant Brow Hair number 2. I got this in my BoxyCharm. There. Oh, once I have my brows on, I feel a little bit more complete, and I literally just sometimes just put on my brows and out the door I go. Other days, like today, I'm just gonna put on a few more things to complete the look, and one of those things is I'm going to just put a little bit of shadow on my eyes using my contour palette Shade and Light by Kat Von D, the neutral shade, this one, and just kind of give some definition to my eyes. I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of this color here. This is a little bit of a darker shade, just to put in some definition in the outer corner. Why not? Obviously this step I don't always do, but today I just felt like putting a little bit more contouring in onto the eyes. Why not, right? It's makeup. It's just makeup. There are no rules. You do not have to do this step at all, and many times I don't bother. So when I'm doing my a natural look like this with the contour palette, I like to go in with the light shade and mix the banana shade onto my brush, and I don't tap it off. I want as much product on there as possible, and I put it into the inner corner of the lid, the inner third, I would say, maybe inner 2/3, just to brighten up the eyelid. Maybe I'll put a little bit under my brow. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of the lighter shade. Yeah. Okay, so next, typically on a day like today, what I'll do is I'll just go in with a little bit of liner. So this is gel liner from Marc Jacobs, and I just kind of run it through in between the lashes. I'm not really doing an eyeliner per se. I'm just kind of smudging it between the lashes, almost tightlining it, just to really give the illusion that I have thicker lashes. Then I just go in, I curl the lashes. And I pop on some mascara. And I always start off with my Benefit Roller Lash. So since I'm not using a lot of shadow to kind of lift the eyes and pull them into like a more of an almond cat eye type of shape, I focus the mascara on the outer edges of the lashes, then it will have a similar effect. So instead of pulling them straight up, I just pull them out. And then I will top that off with my Essence Lash Princess. This is the volumizing one. So that's it, the eyes are done. I think I just want to add in a little bit of color into my face because I'm feeling a little bit pale. I'll be using my Butter Bronzer and just a little fluffy contouring brush. And I'm just gonna kind of swirl that around on my forehead and my cheek area. And the last thing I do is lips, and sometimes I'll use a lip liner, sometimes I won't. Today I'll just do a little bit of a liner. This is my Milani liner, and it's the C4 All Natural. I'm just using a gloss today. This is a Rimmel Stay Glossy. I love this one. It's a really pretty nude pink, and it does deposit a fair bit of color, so it really is all I need. So that's it, everybody. This is my final look. It's my no foundation, minimal makeup, everyday, out the door, run errands kind of makeup. So I hope you like this, and I hope you found it helpful. Even though it took me a fair bit of time to film it, and it's probably going to turn out longer than it really takes to do. It really only takes about 5 minutes, and what a difference it makes to the look, I find anyway. I just feel like I'm put together. It evens out my skin tone. It's just a better me. It's me, only better, you know. So anyway, I hope you like it, and if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any comments or questions or whatever, just comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell so it lets you know when I'm uploading new videos. I don't have a regular schedule, so that notification bell is very important. Otherwise, you'll probably totally miss my videos. And if you want to see them, well, that'll help.